2 new Zippos that I've added to my collection. Let me share them with you. This is the first one I've picked up. It's a Zippo Slim. Here on the bottom, you can see the markings that indicate it's from 1969 with a little script Zippo font. Dig in this cross hatching on the front. There's this rectangle for a monogram or your initials, and it hasn't been filled in, which is a bonus in my book. All in all, it's in good condition. Got a nice click sound, tight hinge. Very happy to have added this to my collection. I got it for $4 at a flea market up in Tahoe. Next up we have the Slim's big brother, full-size Zippo in the box nonetheless. I picked this up at a garage sale for $9, and here it is. It's a Camel Zippo, which they've nicknamed the Tombstone, or I've seen it also nicknamed the Beast. The finish on it's pretty cool. You can see as I rotate it real quick here, or slowly, it goes from like shiny silver to a gray color. I think they call this midnight gray. Here on the bottom you can see the date stamp, and the Roman numeral is a little weak, but it shows that it comes from 1992. This is the third Camel Zippo lighter that I've added to my collection. I love finding advertising lighters, and I kind of see these as similar. This is for tobacco products, and you can't make advertisements for tobacco products anymore in the United States, so it's kind of like a time capsule of the bygone times. 2 new Zippos for my collection. Let me know what you have found. I'm always interested in finding out what the other collectors are finding. And subscribe, rate, comment. It all means something, helps out. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Weather-wise, it's such a perfect